Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg, Warren Buffett, the richest people on the planet. And right now, every single one of them is quietly pouring billions into one technology. Not crypto, not real estate, AI. And the reason why is something they desperately want to hide from you. Stay until the end, because the real reason will genuinely shock you. And I promise, by the time this video ends, you will never see money the same way again. Welcome back to Pulse AI Facts, where we expose the truths the powerful don't want you to know. Subscribe right now, because what you are about to hear next, most people will never find out. Let's follow the money. And trust me, where it leads will blow your mind. Billionaire 1. Elon Musk co-founded OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT. He then left and started his own AI company xAI, investing $6 billion of his own money. He publicly said AI could be more dangerous than nuclear weapons. So why is he still investing billions? The answer will make you question everything you think you know about AI. Because Musk understands one brutal truth. Whoever controls AI controls the future of humanity. If he does not build it, someone else will. And he would rather be the one in control. But wait, what Zuckerberg did with AI is even more terrifying. That is coming up next. Billionaire 2. Most people think Bill Gates retired. They are completely wrong. Gates has been secretly investing in AI since 2003, 20 years before ChatGPT. His foundation has quietly put hundreds of millions into AI for healthcare and education. Gates recently said AI is the most important technology of his lifetime. More important than the internet. More important than the personal computer. That single statement from the man who literally built the modern computer should stop you in your tracks. But what Jeff Bezos built with AI, right in front of your eyes, without you even noticing, is next. And it will shock you. Billionaire 3. Amazon is not a shopping website. Amazon is an AI company. Every recommendation, AI. Every price change, AI. Alexa, AI. AWS powering 40% of the entire internet, AI. Bezos built the most profitable AI empire on the planet, right in front of your eyes, and most people completely missed it. He then invested $4 billion in Anthropic, one of the world's most powerful AI companies. Bezos did not just invest in AI. He made AI invisible and put it inside everything you already use every single day. But the number Zuckerberg spent on AI in just 1 year will make your jaw drop. Keep watching. Billionaire 4. In 2024, Mark Zuckerberg announced Meta would spend $30 to $40 billion on AI. In one single year, $30 billion. Let that number sink in for a second. That is more than the entire GDP of many countries spent on AI in 12 months. Every photo you see on Instagram, AI selected it for you. Every ad, AI targeted you. Every piece of content, AI decided you should see it. Meta is not a social media company. It is an AI machine that controls the thoughts and attention of 3 billion human beings on this planet. And what Warren Buffett just did, the man who never invests in technology, will completely change how you see AI. This is the big one. Stay with me. Billionaire 5. Warren Buffett only invests in what he fully understands. He avoided the dot-com boom and was right. He avoided crypto and was right. He has beaten every market for 60 years straight. And in 2024, Berkshire Hathaway quietly invested over $1 billion into AI companies. The man who said he does not understand AI just put $1 billion into it. When Warren Buffett changes his mind, it is not a coincidence. It is a signal, and that signal is screaming one thing right now. But the real reason all of them are investing, the truth they never say publicly, is coming up right now. This is the part of the video you absolutely cannot miss. The truth. Here is what they never say publicly. AI is not just another technology. It is the last technology humanity will ever need to invent, because AI will invent everything else from this point forward. Every drug, every scientific discovery, every material, every solution to every problem will be found by AI, not humans. The billionaires have known this for years, and they are racing to own as much of it as possible before ordinary people realize what is happening. Global AI investment in 2024 was $200 billion. In 2025, it crossed $300 billion. By 2027, analysts predict $1 trillion per year. This is the single biggest transfer of wealth and power in all of human history, and it is happening right now, while most people are completely asleep. And what I am about to tell you next, in the last 90 seconds of this video, is the most important thing you will hear all year. Do not click away. If the smartest, richest, most powerful people on the planet are betting everything on AI, what does that tell you? It tells you one thing. This is not a trend. This is not a bubble. This is the foundation of the next 100 years of civilization. And here is the truth that nobody tells you. You do not need to be a billionaire to benefit from AI. You just need to understand it before everyone else does. And that is exactly 5 seconds ahead of most people around you, because most people are still sleeping on this. The billionaires have Wall Street advisors, private research teams, and inside information. You have Pulse AI facts, and we give you the same knowledge, completely free, every single week. If this video opened your eyes, subscribe right now, because next week we are covering something even more shocking than today. Something that the biggest AI companies in the world do not want you to find out. You will not want to miss it. Share this with one person who still thinks AI is just hype. They need to wake up before it is too late. See you in the next one.